Hello guys, and today is the day. Yep, I said it was come Friday, and it did. Yay. Okay, so today is the day that I got the LPS that I ordered off eBay, and I'm just gonna do like a little review. Like, I just took a peek through the sides. I don't exactly know exactly what's in here. I know it comes with a pram, because I think the mom's in the pram. No. But yeah, now I'm gonna open it. So yeah, this is so exciting. Like, oh my gosh, yeah. So let's just get the bag to start with. The first thing I pulled out was this. The mom is sitting in the pushchair. Okay, we're gonna take this out. So we have a cat. It's old LPS. I ordered old ones off eBay. They're a little dirty, but that's because they're like used LPS. They do have the magnets and heads do bobble. They're not fake, as I am glad to see, because I've seen lots of, because when people order LPS off eBay, I've seen a lot of videos that they're fake, and I'm so glad that mine is not fake. So, yep. And the pram, it does push along, and it does move a bit. This part, it moves a bit. It's got, real spinning wheels and all that stuff. Has some details. See, it's got a little pillow cushion in there. It also came with this bed. Not very much to say about that. One thing is really cool. I thought this was really cool because it's like just push along, and because they have the magnet. The magnet. So it just push along, just like the pusher. We have another cat. Same mold, same shape as the other one. It's just a different color. Magnet, everything, not fake. Have this one. I like this one. I'm gonna make this one a dad in my new series called The Cat's Life. That's very good, very good. None of these are fake, from what I can see. One of these, I don't know which one exactly these are, but I know they're old LPS, and I'm really glad that, Got another one of those. And then we have like this little kitten. Tiny little kitten. It looks like a boy, but I'm going to use it as a girl in this series anyway. Another one of those ones. I think we have, the last one. Tiny little kitten again, another one, but this one's grey and it has like a tiny bit of eyelash there. See my eyelash is so swag. Okay, and that's enough for today's video. Here's all the stuff that I got. Except from, I got all this stuff for £10, 20, except for this. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Oh, and it included these two objects. It didn't say that it included this on the eBay page, but it did. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So I gotta go now. Bye.